Hello and welcome to the Weekly Tech Minute. I'm your host, Tanya Jordan. Our first story is about an Atlanta startup looking to help heal hearts. Thanks to Zach Armstrong from Atlanta Inno for this story. Nyra Medical, Inc. is developing technology that fixes leaking heart valves by placing an implant into the heart. It works by inserting image-guided catheters into the bloodstream through an incision in the body's groin to repair the valve. About 35% to 60% of patients who survive heart failure develop this problem, said Nyra founder and CEO Murali Padala. Developing valve leakage becomes detrimental, meaning these patients tend to die or have repeated hospitalizations. The company has already raised $12 million of a $20 million raise for research and development. It is one of several Atlanta-based medical device startups that raised venture capital in the last year. Medical device company BioCircuit Technologies raised $9 million in September, and startup Oxos Medical reached $20 million in seed funding in May. Padala said that once the company's technology is approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to perform clinical trials, it will receive the remaining $8 million. Click below to read more about this cutting-edge work being done by this startup. Our next story comes from John Moore at TechTarget, and it's all about the challenges chief information officers are facing in our current job climate. We saw a lot of challenges this year, from back-to-office debates to inflation to some severe pressures on the supply chain. With all these issues, CIOs must walk a fine line between addressing these concerns while looking for innovative projects to project their companies into the future. These challenges could look like finding and retaining talent, boosting the customer experience, and deploying automation. For the full list of challenges and tips on how you can combat them, click on the link below. Our final story has to do with the good old Atlanta Braves. Josh Green from Urbanize writes that Truist Park might be looking a little different as plans for the next phase of development around the Battery begin to take shape. According to a Braves development company update last summer, a 250,000 square foot office tower is planning to be built on the northwest side of Truist Park, away from the outfield bleachers and just up the street from the Coca-Cola Roxy venue. The office building will serve as the new national headquarters for Truist Securities, Truist's full-service corporate and investment bank. Officials also said the office building will house about 1,000 Truist Securities employees, roughly 300 feet behind the Atlanta Braves ballpark home plate. Click below to read more about the plans around the stadium, and go Braves! That's all for this week's edition of the Weekly Tech Minute. Tune in next week for more tech news. Be sure to comment, like, share, DM. We love hearing from you, and we want to hear what you want us to cover. Have a great week.